Welcome to Financial Odyssey, and welcome back, Odyssey Navigators. This is where your journey to wealth and wisdom begins. Also, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Now let's get this party started. Unlocking the secrets of a faceless YouTube channel for taxes and insurance. The digital landscape is being revolutionized by a groundbreaking approach to content creation on YouTube, particularly within the tax and insurance niches. Faceless YouTube channels are at the forefront, offering a unique way to disseminate complex information without the need for an on-screen personality. This innovative method is transforming how educational content is delivered, catering to audiences seeking straightforward, accessible advice on otherwise intricate subjects. Faceless YouTube channels strip away the visual element of the content creator, focusing solely on the message. This concept hinges on the production of videos where the creator's identity remains anonymous, leveraging voiceovers, animations, and graphics instead. Such an approach allows for the distillation of tax and insurance information into digestible, engaging formats without the distraction of a visible presenter. The rise of faceless content creators, especially in the realms of tax and insurance, can be attributed to several key factors. Primarily, it resonates with viewers who prefer content that cuts straight to the chase, without the embellishments of personality-driven delivery. Additionally, it offers creators the advantage of anonymity, reducing barriers to entry for experts who may shy away from the spotlight, but possess invaluable insights in these fields. Selecting a niche like taxes and insurance for a faceless YouTube channel maximizes impact due to the evergreen nature of the content. These topics not only command a dedicated audience seeking advice and updates, but also lend themselves well to the faceless format. This is because the complex, often dry material can be made more accessible and engaging through creative visual and auditory elements, without needing a personal touch. Content planning for a tax and insurance-focused YouTube channel requires a structured approach. It involves breaking down complicated subjects into manageable pieces, ensuring each video delivers value in a clear and concise manner. This strategy not only aids in viewer comprehension but also in content retention, making it a critical step in the success of faceless channels in these specialized niches. Crafting compelling narratives is pivotal in the realm of faceless YouTube channels, especially in the tax and insurance niche. Without a visible presenter, the strength of your script becomes the backbone of viewer engagement. A well-written script educates, entertains, and retains the audience's attention, making complex subjects approachable and interesting. Finding the right voice for your channel is another critical step. A voiceover that resonates with your audience can significantly enhance the impact of your content. It's about striking the right balance between authority and approachability, ensuring that the information provided is not only heard, but also absorbed and trusted by your viewers. Incorporating animations and graphics takes your content to the next level. These elements break down the monotony of text-based information, making your videos more engaging. Through visual storytelling, you can simplify intricate tax and insurance concepts, making them accessible to a broader audience without needing an on-screen presence. Have you hit the like button yet? Go ahead and do that now. Choosing the right software is essential for creating high-quality faceless videos. The market offers a range of tools designed to facilitate video editing, animation, and graphics creation. Investing in software that aligns with your content needs ensures a smoother creation process and a more professional outcome, enhancing your channel's credibility. Optimizing your YouTube channel for search engines is crucial. Effective SEO strategies ensure that your content reaches its intended audience. By researching and incorporating relevant keywords related to taxes and insurance, you can improve your video's visibility, attracting more viewers and potentially increasing your channel's monetization opportunities. Creating click-worthy thumbnails is essential for drawing attention to your faceless YouTube videos on taxes and insurance. A visually appealing thumbnail acts as a gatekeeper, enticing viewers to click and watch. It should be simple yet informative, highlighting the core message of your video, making viewers curious about the content within. Crafting captivating titles for your tax and insurance videos is an art form that can significantly boost your visibility. The title should be a balance of informative and engaging, incorporating relevant keywords without sacrificing creativity. This ensures your videos are not only found but also clicked on by interested viewers. Engagement tactics for faceless channels revolve around creating content that resonates with your audience without relying on personal charisma. This includes asking thought-provoking questions in your videos, encouraging comments, and creating interactive polls. These strategies help foster a community feeling, prompting viewers to return and interact more. Monetizing your Faceless tax and insurance channel can be achieved through various methods such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, and YouTube ad revenue. The key is to provide consistent, valuable content that addresses your viewers' needs, thereby attracting advertisers and sponsors interested in your engaged audience. Collaborating and networking with other creators in the finance niche can significantly expand your channel's reach. Strategic partnerships allow you to tap into new audiences, share valuable insights, and grow your subscriber base. This approach not only enhances your channel's visibility, but also builds credibility within the tax and insurance community. Leveraging social media platforms is a game changer for Faceless YouTube channels, especially within the tax and insurance niche. By strategically sharing video links, snippets, or engaging infographics related to your content on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, you can significantly extend your reach and attract viewers back to your YouTube channel. Analytics play a pivotal role in the success of a Faceless channel. By diving into the data, creators can identify which videos resonate most with their audience, the best times to post, and viewer demographics. This insight allows for the fine-tuning of content and strategy, ensuring that every video released is more targeted and effective than the last. Legal considerations cannot be overlooked, especially when dealing with sensitive topics like tax and insurance. Ensuring that all the information shared is accurate and compliant with regulations is essential. This not only builds trust with your audience, but also shields your channel from potential legal issues that could arise from misinformation. Incorporating viewer feedback into your content creation process is invaluable. Engaging with your audience through comments or polls can provide direct insight into their preferences and questions. This interaction not only helps tailor your content more effectively, but also fosters a sense of community and loyalty among viewers. Analyzing successful Faceless YouTube channels in the tax and insurance sectors can provide a wealth of knowledge. These case studies reveal strategies that have proven effective, from content approach and presentation style to engagement techniques and monetization methods. Learning from these examples can accelerate the growth and success of your own channel. Exploring different video types is key to keeping your tax and insurance audience engaged. From detailed how-to guides on filing taxes to animated infographics explaining insurance policies, diversity in content not only educates but entertains. This variety ensures that viewers of all types find something valuable, increasing their likelihood to return. The role of playlists on your Faceless YouTube channel cannot be understated. By organizing your tax and insurance content into easily navigable playlists, you enhance user experience significantly. Viewers can find specific topics quickly, making your channel a go-to resource for their needs and encouraging binge watching of your content. Creating a loyal audience for your Faceless channel hinges on community building. Engaging with your viewers through comments, polls, and Q&A sessions, even without a personal presence, fosters a sense of belonging. This connection turns casual viewers into loyal fans who are more likely to recommend your channel to others. The future of Faceless channels in the tax and insurance sector is bright, with emerging trends pointing towards more personalized and interactive content. Utilizing tools like AI to analyze viewer preferences can lead to more targeted content, ensuring your channel remains relevant and ahead of competition in this niche. Overcoming challenges as a Faceless content creator requires resilience and innovation. Technical issues, evolving SEO algorithms, and maintaining viewer interest are common hurdles. However, focusing on high-quality, informative content that meets the specific needs of your tax and insurance audience can navigate these challenges successfully, securing your channel's growth. Mastering SEO for tax and insurance topics is pivotal for Faceless YouTube channels. By researching and utilizing the right keywords, creators can ensure their content reaches the intended audience. This strategy not only enhances visibility, but also aligns videos with viewer queries, driving targeted traffic to the channel. Consistency in scheduling uploads is crucial for maintaining and growing an audience. Regularly releasing videos on taxes and insurance keeps the audience engaged and builds a reliable presence on YouTube. This predictability fosters viewer loyalty, making the channel a go-to resource for information in the niche. Advanced editing techniques can dramatically improve the appeal of Faceless videos. By focusing on high-quality graphics, seamless transitions, and engaging animations, creators can hold the audience's attention without on-screen talent. This approach enhances the viewer's experience, making complex tax and insurance information more accessible and enjoyable. The power of storytelling should not be underestimated, even in Faceless formats. Crafting compelling narratives around tax and insurance topics can create a personal connection with the audience. This method transforms seemingly dry subjects into relatable stories, increasing viewer engagement and retention. Utilizing AI and tech innovations represents the future of faceless video creation. These tools can streamline the content creation process, from generating scripts to enhancing video quality. For tax and insurance channels, embracing these technologies can lead to more efficient production and a competitive edge in the content landscape. Building a brand is crucial for faceless YouTube channels, especially in the tax and insurance niche. Establishing a recognizable identity helps your content stand out amidst the sea of information. It involves consistent use of logos, color schemes, and video intros that resonate with your core message and values. Audience retention strategies are essential for keeping viewers engaged from the beginning of your video to the end. This can be achieved through compelling storytelling, clear and concise information delivery, and interactive elements such as quizzes or polls. Ensuring your content is always relevant and valuable to your audience is key. Call to actions, CTAs, serve as a guide for your audience, directing them towards the next steps, whether it's subscribing to the channel, leaving a comment, or visiting a website for more information. Effective CTAs are clear, concise, and relevant to the content, encouraging viewers to engage further with your brand. Discussing insurance and tax implications responsibly is paramount for faceless content creators. This means providing accurate, up-to-date information and making it clear when content is opinion-based or speculative. Risk management topics should be approached with care, ensuring compliance with legal standards and ethical considerations. Expanding your content involves exploring new angles within the taxes and insurance niche. This could mean diving into niche subtopics, discussing current trends, or debunking common myths. By broadening your content scope, you can attract a wider audience while providing additional value to your existing viewers. Understanding the intricacies of viewer engagement and preferences through analytics is crucial for any YouTuber, especially those in the tax and insurance niches. Feedback loops enable creators to refine their content strategy, ensuring that each video is more informative, engaging, and relevant than the last. This constant evolution is key to maintaining viewer interest and growing a dedicated audience. Transparency remains a cornerstone for faceless creators, particularly when discussing complex subjects like taxes and insurance. Ethical considerations should guide the content creation process, ensuring that information is accurate, comprehensible, and devoid of misleading advice. This approach not only builds trust with viewers, but also establishes the channel as a reliable source of information. Cross-promotion strategies are a powerful tool for expanding a channel's reach. Collaborating with other creators, leveraging social media platforms, and engaging in community discussions can introduce your content to a wider audience. This form of strategic visibility is essential for faceless channels aiming to stand out in the crowded tax and insurance sectors. Long-term growth requires a forward-thinking approach, focusing not only on current trends, but also on future developments within the tax and insurance industries. Planning content with longevity in mind, while being adaptable to regulatory changes and advancements in video creation technology, ensures that a channel remains relevant and continues to attract viewers. In conclusion, the journey to success for faceless YouTube channels in the tax and insurance niches involves a blend of strategic content creation, ethical considerations, and community engagement. By focusing on these areas, creators can build a loyal audience, establish themselves as trusted authorities, and navigate the challenges of the digital landscape effectively. Hey there, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Remember, it's all about navigating your path to wealth and wisdom. Share this video to spread the knowledge. Stay informed, keep investing, and ensure your future security. Until next time, remember to get your free ebook by clicking on the link in the pinned comments. The book will help you build wealth and unlock potential income. It's a game changer. And hey, want to learn about earning unlimited commissions in 7 incredible ways? Look in the description below to learn more. Do not forget to grab my free ebook on my website. Plus, I've got something exciting. You can get life insurance for added protection for your family for as little as $15 a month. Check the link in the description below for more details.